Double your motorbike wash revenue with a simple formula. Doubling your customer base and operational efficiency with a simple formula is entirely possible if you own a manual bike wash or are planning to implement an automatic motorbike wash model. Many owners have invested heavily in their business. Modern equipment, clear procedure, attractive location, convenient access, but customer traffic remain inconsistent. Some days busy, some days quiet, resulting in lower than expected performance. In this situation, many people think they chose the wrong model, as customers are unfamiliar with the automatic motorbike washing, or that the equipment is not suitable for the local market. However, the reality is that mobile washes struggle not because the model is ineffective, but because they lack a clear customer acquisition strategy and have not effectively marketed their business to the right target audience in the area. Today, customers have significantly changed their service habits. They prioritize speed, convenience, and professionalism over simply getting their bike washes. Previously, customers might wait 15 to 20 minutes for a manual bike wash, but now they want everything quick and efficient to save time, especially commuter, ride-hailing drivers, or those with busy schedule. A bike wash with a clear process, fast service, minimal waiting time, and consistent cleanliness is more likely to be chosen. Automatic bike washes are doing a great job of meeting these needs, as the clean bikes in just a few minutes operate smoothly, don't rely heavily on employee skill, and minimize process washing during busy periods. This is a huge advantage of the model, but if customers are unaware of its existence, that advantage is not fully realized. Therefore, it is crucial to position the bike wash in the right place, where customers are looking for it. To ensure a steady stream of customers for your bike wash, the first step is to have a presence on platforms frequently used by customers, such as Google Maps, Facebook, TikTok, or local social media channel. When customers need a bike wash, they typically search on their phones and choose the nearest bike wash. Shop with a clear image, positive review, and visible washing process. Therefore, building a fan page, posting videos of the bike washing process, updating soft image, filming before after washing scenes, adding Google Maps location information, and promoting within a 3 to 5 kilometer radius of the shop are crucial steps. Doing this well will allow the shops to reach a large number of nearby customers daily, creating a stable customer base and increasing the likelihood of customers trying the service, thus building a loyal customer base. After customers discover the shop and make their first visits, their actual experience will determine whether they return. Therefore, the shop space needs to be tidy, the equipment clean, and the procedures easy to understand, the staff helpful, enthusiastic, and the waiting area comfortable so that customers feel at ease using the service. A professional bike wash not only satisfies customers but also builds trust, and when customers have a good experience, the likelihood of them returning is very high. In addition, word of mouth marketing from customers is extremely important because customers tend to trust reviews from acquaintances more than advertising. The shop can encourage customers to check in, record video of their experience, take before and after photo, or refer friends to receive discount on their next visit. When customers recommend the shop to others, the shop image will separate naturally and sustainably more than any other form of advertising. For a bike wash to operate effectively in the long term, it needs to maximize its existing customer base. Therefore, it should not just offer bike washes, but should also incorporate convenient service suitable for the location and surrounding area. For example, helmet washes, oil change, styling drinks, or other small amenities in the waiting area to make customers feel more comfortable when visits. When customers can use additional service after getting their bike washes, they will stay longer, return more frequently, and develop a habit of visiting regularly. This is how the business can improve operational efficiency, generate stable revenue, and build a sustainable development model in the long term. Automatic bike washes is a model with a great potential, but for business to operate effectively in the long term, it needs not only good equipment, but also a reputable partner with practical experience and willingness to support throughout the operation process. Go&Go understand that when you implement an automatic bike wash model, it's not just about stable machine operation, but also about peace of mind throughout the entire process, from initial consultation, installation, operation training, to maintenance and technical support. Therefore, Go&Go always focus on product quality, a clear production process, pre-delivery machine inspection, and detailed operation instructions so you can use the equipment conveniently from the very beginning. In addition, after-sales service is always prioritized with a clear warranty policies, technical support when needed, regular maintenance, and ongoing support throughout the operation process to ensure your business runs smoothly and minimize disruption. Go&Go not only provide equipment but also offer consulting service tailored to your specific location, such as ways to attract customers, optimize service process, and integrate convenient service suitable for your specific state. If you are interested in an authentic bike wash model, Go&Go encourage you to visit our factory to see the machine in operation, experience the bike washing process, and receive detailed advice on our technical team. A hands-on experience will help you understand the equipment thoroughly before implementation. Go&Go aim you to be a long-term partner in building and developing a successful and sustainable bike wash business. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in our next videos.